Play. Okay, what's that? It looks like a big whale or dolphin. A whale. That's a whale. Is that an aquarium or something? Okay, this guy is just painting. Okay, that looks like a too good turtle. Okay, now it completely look like aquarium something. If you are in like a big sea or something, that's octopus. Nice. It looks too great, by the way. Look at those smaller details. Those smaller details combine and make that bigger thing. That tortoise was too good. Yeah. तो लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो और वो बेल नोटिफिकेशन है उसको ऑन कर दो ताकि आप भी मेरी तरह ड्राइंग बना पाओ. Play. Okay. Is that was that a chocolate? Chocolate dinosaur. How is that possible? Okay, he's just using those chocolate. How big you can? That's just chocolate. He's making a smaller structures. Okay, man, you need so much of patience and artwork to create that. you need to get professional to do this type of things. That dinosaur looks too good. Okay, he's just going for details of hands and things. Okay, I didn't knew that you can just brush your. Ooh, maybe that's a food color. Okay, yeah, of course, maybe food color. Those eye looks too good. To that play. Okay, brush, making brush, and same technique we have seen before also, using pencils. That she was using pencil in sideways to create those shadows. Okay, she is using same brushes like in sideways to create those smaller lines. Okay, yellow, is that a leaf? Yes, of course, that's a leaf. Nice details. Okay, what's that blue color for? Okay, blue color flower also. This is how you should use colors. I have seen so many videos, people are just wasting colors. This is the use of color. Look at that beauty, man. You can make and frame it and you can use it anywhere. Those abstract designs with lots of waste of colors doesn't look that good. Nice, good details with white color. Okay, big thumbs up. Play. Okay, how to make nose, that's a tutorial. Just make a triangle. Then next what, just connect a little bit with the eyes if someone is looking sideways. What's next? Oh, nice. Okay, straight. How to make a face. So many people ask me that how someone can make a face directly and it's so fast. This is the technique to make those things. Okay, great. Basic, not advanced, but basic technique. Play. Okay, using fork. People buy 500,000, 2,000 rupees of calligraphy pens, and this guy or lady, I don't know, they are just using fork to create those textures. You can make so much of art and so much of things if you don't even have those equipments that so many advanced people have, like 5,000, 10,000 print things. That's just not necessary. What are the writing? T, I know that that's just a font. T amo. Okay, I don't know the meaning, but maybe something. Nice, that was looking